These are some of the most useful 3D prints you can make. Let's get right into it. This first 3D print is a shoe organizer. I printed this in white PETG and this print took about 2 hours to make. It works by stacking 2 shoes on top of each other. It looks very clean in my opinion. It would be very cool if I would print one for each pair of shoes. The next print is a trash can for the side of your desk. The most versions I found online work by clamping it on the side of your desk, but I can't do this on my desk, so I designed my own version. You can attach this bin to the side of your desk with this dovetail piece. This also makes it very easy to remove and reattach. All the files are available in the video description. The following print is a small monitor shelf. The monitor shelf has 2 parts. I printed this top part in Spectrum Wood PLA. This has a really cool effect. After installing it on your monitor, you could put anything on it. I chose to display the Star Wars minifigure. It's also surprisingly stable. The next print is a Buildplate cleaner. As you can see, one of the 2 parts has failed, so let's try that again. After inserting a piece of cloth, I sprayed down some Buildplate cleaner on the bed. Up next is this toothbrush case. It's a quick print that keeps your toothbrush clean when traveling. This print took about 1 hour and 45 minutes to make. It's really cool to see how it closes. The next print is a tape dispenser. I printed this in Spectrum PLA Pastello. The assembly is quite easy and quick. This print makes it a lot easier to cut your tape when you're done. The next print is a mechanical clothes hanger. This print took about 2 hours and 55 minutes to print. You can open the clothes hanger by pushing down on the top part. It will stay in this position due to the spring mechanism. With this clothes hanger, it's a lot easier to put it in your clothes, and then you can just open it up and hang it up. The last print for this video is a mouse wrist rest. This print took about 1 hour and 40 minutes and is printed in PETG. You can just place it in front of your mouse and place the palm of your hand on it. When I was editing this video, I've been trying the wrist rest and I have to say that it's quite comfortable. I want to thank you for watching to this video, and I'll see you in the next one.